I'm Anisha. To know more about my work, you may visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. For those of you who are seeking deeper clarity, be it at your love lives or in your work, for a personal consultation, you may write to me at Tarot by Anisha. We're beginning the month, Leos, with Mercury that is retrograde. At least it's retrograde since the first couple of months, since about 4 days. And it's retrograde in a part of your chart that is all about your home, with people with whom you share this space. And it is conjuncting Uranus that is there in your house of expansion, overseas travel, friends, and spirituality. So Mercury is it's really, it has been making you think about a certain home situation. Maybe some of you have been, either you've been worried about your parents, either there have been a lot of frequent trips that you've been doing back and forth. And this situation has been there for almost the entire year for you, and it has to do something to do with home. And because it has to do with your mother, it can be, some of you could be feeling quite pressurized by your mother regarding a certain thing. It could also be with maybe staff coming in and going, maybe house guests are visiting a bit too often, and some amount of action happening at your home. Now, because it's conjuncting Uranus that is there in your house of travel, maybe I think some of you could literally be traveling to places which are really far off in different countries. You could be connecting with people who are not from the same country as you, and it could be, I think for a lot of you, you are going to be finding an easy connect with these people, and there's this need to explore more horizons, widen your horizons, learn more about different cultures, ethnicities, and also I think it just speaks about expansion of your mind. So even as far as spirituality is concerned, a lot of you are going to be seeking more. It's almost like a spiritual awakening, and there would be a desire to know more, to learn more, and even in certain cases, I think to share your wealth as well with people. On the May 10th, we have a full moon that is there in your house of home. This is also the house of mother because it's ruled by Cancer. And there seems to be a certain situation at home that seems to be coming to an end. Either you're going to be moving house. Some of you could actually be leaving the country and you could be going out. In certain cases, you could be leaving the city, or you could be leaving that same house, and or there's selling and buying of a house, renting, leasing, moving out, renovating, decorating, plumbing, everything to do with your house. It could be either a project gets over or a decision gets taken around mid-month. On the 17th, we have the Mercury and Sun, and they are there in your house of reputation and career. And Sun over here is, along with Mercury, not just provoking you, pushing you, instigating you to think more, think beyond than your normal work that you've been doing, Leo, but it's asking you to be more creative, it's asking you to be more brave. And whenever sun comes and shines a light, it's in a part of your chart, it's normally saying that you've been ignoring certain things. So over here, it's maybe regarding your work that there is some insight that you're missing out on. Maybe you need to be maybe you need to take a chance, maybe you need to take a calculated risk, and you need to jump. Maybe what you've been doing is really being done to death, and there's a boredom, there's stagnation around it, and you just generally feel quite worn out. And with this aspect, you could be having a lot of conversations, you could be sharing your ideas with people, maybe who are not from the similar cultural background as you, maybe they're from another country, and you could be in the process of deciding or discussing a new project. On the 21st, we have Sun and Mars, and they are there in your groups of people. So quite a lovely time, wherein that I think a need to be with birds of similar feather, and you would want to have that camaraderie, that similar mental affinity, and a need to share more thoughts and be with people who are subscribe to similar passions as you do. And there could be an opportunity as well to maybe start off something new together. maybe as a team, maybe as an organization. May 30th, we have Mars that is opposing Saturn. Now, it's not the best of the times to be burning bridges. Leos, end of the month, even though you would be feeling quite righteous, you could be feeling that certain things need to be aired and you need to be transparent, and this is who you are. But you're being cautioned that there's a difference between being sort of sharing things or seeing things as they are, and there's a difference between just going and destroying something and saying that I don't care. So be careful that you don't burn the bridges. You may just have to cross over them again in the future. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, Leos. I'll see you again soon, and thank you so much for watching.